Imagine a world where you don't need to scroll through endless pages of apps on your smartphone, where you don't need to constantly switch between different interfaces to get things done. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this future is closer than you think, and it's all thanks to the rise of AI agents? Nothing CEO Carl Pei recently made some waves in the tech world by saying that smartphone apps will disappear as AI agents take their place. And this got me thinking, what does this really mean for us? And how will it change the way we interact with our devices? The idea that AI agents will replace apps is not just some far-fetched concept, it's a reality that's already starting to take shape. As AI technology advances, we're seeing more and more examples of virtual assistants and chatbots that can perform complex tasks and understand natural language. This shift towards AI-powered systems is not just limited to smartphones. It's happening across all areas of technology, from home automation to customer service. So why does this matter? Well, for starters, it has the potential to completely revolutionize the way we interact with technology. No longer will we need to navigate through cluttered app stores or deal with the hassle of updating multiple apps with AI agents. Our devices will be able to understand our intent and act on our behalf, making our lives easier and more convenient. So let's dive deeper into what Carl Pei means by AI agents replacing apps. Essentially, he's talking about a future where our smartphones are no longer just devices that run apps, but rather personal assistants that can understand our needs and take action accordingly. This means that instead of having to open a separate app for every task, we'll be able to simply tell our device what we want to do, and it will take care of the rest. For example, if we want to order food, we won't need to open a food delivery app. We can just tell our device that we're hungry and want to order food, and it will take care of the rest. This is made possible by advances in natural language processing and machine learning, which enable AI agents to understand the nuances of human language and make decisions based on context. As AI agents become more sophisticated, we can expect to see them take on more complex tasks, such as managing our schedules, responding to email, and even making recommendations based on our preferences. The implications of this shift are huge, and it's going to change the way we live and work in so many ways. For everyday people, this means a more streamlined and intuitive experience when interacting with technology. No longer will we need to worry about which app to use or how to use it. Our devices will be able to understand our intent and take action accordingly. This also opens up new possibilities for people with disabilities, who may struggle with traditional app-based interfaces. Additionally, as AI agents become more prevalent, we can expect to see a shift in the way businesses operate, with a greater emphasis on developing AI-powered systems that can understand and respond to customer needs. As this technology continues to evolve, it's going to be exciting to see how it transforms the way we live and work, and the possibilities are endless. So what does this mean for us, and how can we prepare for a future where AI agents replace apps? For starters, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in AI and machine learning. As this technology continues to advance, we can expect to see new and innovative applications of AI agents in all areas of life. It's also crucial to think about how we can use this technology to improve our lives and make the world a better place. As we move towards a future where AI agents replace apps, it's essential to consider the potential risks and challenges associated with this shift, such as job displacement and privacy concerns. By being aware of these issues and working together to address them, we can ensure that the benefits of AI agents are shared by all. In conclusion, the idea that AI agents will replace apps is not just a pipe dream, it's a reality that's already starting to take shape. As we move towards a future where our devices are powered by AI, it's essential to stay informed, think critically, and consider the potential implications of this shift. If you're as excited as I am about the potential of AI agents to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest developments in AI and tech. By joining our community, you'll be able to stay up to date on the latest news and trends and be part of the conversation about the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.